Hey guys, this is my website. The main purpose of my website is just for a portfolio for when I graduate and I'm looking for a job. So this is my main page. So it just has this that goes across that has all these different links that I'll go into later. When you come down here, this is kind of like somewhat of like a cover letter here. Then these go to my LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. These number things are just kind of cool. For right now, I just put in random things. When I get better usable numbers, I will put those in there. And then this button just puts you back at the top of the page. But so good to go into some of my links. So here it's going to go to my resume. So that is just on there. Then if I go back, the next one that I have is just some modeling. And then some pictures are attached there as well. Then I included some wedding invitations that I designed recently, and those are in there. And then finally, the last thing that I added in was a PR campaign that I did last semester. And this is our PR book. There's 47 slides. Of course, I will not go through all of those, but felt that was a good addition as well. And then, of course, as I get more usable projects and actual stuff, I can add more and build up my portfolio a little bit more. Right now, it's just basically at the basics, things that I would like to include now, but also need to build upon later. I also have a contact page here that you can just go back, but right now I just liked it simple and clean. One of the hardest things that I had a problem with doing this semester was the actual designing phase of the whole thing. All the tutorials and everything that we did was pretty easy, but once I actually got to designing it and putting it together, that's what caused me the most problems. Other than that, I've used WordPress in the past, and it was just very basic, and so I definitely learned a lot more how to make it how I wanted it, which is very nice. I hope that I'll be able to continue to learn more and continue to build my portfolio. But thanks for watching.